Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix high ping in Windows 10 11. Right click on start button, click on run, type regedit, expand HKey local machine, expand software, expand Microsoft, expand Windows ND, expand current version, expand multimedia, click on system profile, click on network throttling index, right click and click on modify, type F8 times in value data, click OK, right click on start button, click on run, type ncpa.cpl, click OK, right click on Wi-Fi, click on properties, click on internet protocol version 4, select use the following DNS server address, preferred DNS server 1.1.1.1, alternative DNS server 1.0.0.1, click on OK, exit. That's it. Thanks for watching.